A guru is not here to interpret scriptures, but to take you to another dimension of life. People think a guru is their philosopher or a guide, or these days a friend. Well, he is willing to be all that, but that's not the purpose for which you go to a guru. If darkness has to become light, something has to burn. That's the only way in the physical world. Light happens, something has to burn. So guru is not someone who gives you theories and philosophies, not someone who has scriptural knowledge and going to interpret scriptures for you, nor a friend or a guide who holds a torch for you. He is the torch. He is burning. If you wish to know what it is, you should burn too.